Let's look at our first example with probability. We're going to look at a problem that involves a deck of cards. And so, in case you aren't familiar, a deck of cards contains 52 cards in total, and those cards are divided into 4 suits, and those suits are diamonds, hearts, clubs, and spades. And then each one of those 4 suits contains the following cards. It contains a 2, 3, 4, all the way up through 10. It contains a jack, a queen, a king, and an ace. Okay, so now that we thoroughly know what a deck of cards consists of, let's suppose that the cards in a deck are thoroughly mixed up. So someone did a really good job of shuffling up these cards, and now what you're going to do is you are going to select a card at random. So the first question I want to ask, what is the sample space of outcomes? So remember that your sample space, it's all the possibilities that you can get. So in this case, all the possible cards I could select would be any of those 52 cards. So I'll say that the outcomes in the sample space, which I'm going to call S, are the 52 cards in the deck. I could get any one of those 52 cards when I draw my card at random. Alright, so now let's ask ourselves, what is the event that the chosen card is a black face card? So what exactly is a face card? Well, it's either a jack, a queen, or a king. So let's call this event E. E be the event that a black face card is chosen. So what could I get? What are the outcomes in this event E? Well, the outcomes in E are, I need it to be a face card and it needs to be a black card, which means it's either a spade or a club. So the outcomes in E are the jack, queen, and king of clubs. and the Jack, Queen, and King of spades. So another way you could write this symbolically, the set E contains the Jack, and then I'm going to do my best to draw a club picture here. A Jack of clubs, a Queen of clubs, a King of clubs, and then a Jack of spades, a Queen of spades, and a King of spades. So those are all the outcomes in the event E, so this would be what E is. And then our final question part here will be, what is the probability that the chosen card is a black face card? So the probability, it's asking us for the probability of the event E. So we're going to use our probability formula. It's the number of outcomes in E over the number of outcomes in S. So another way we write number would be N of E over N of S. So this notation means number of elements in E. So how many elements did we have in our set for E? We had, if we look back, there were 6. If I look up here, there were 6. So it would be 6 over, and then this is the number of elements in my sample space, and remember, my sample space had 52 cards in it. 6 over 52, which is approximately 11.5%. And that would be our probability.